Hey guys, welcome to this video. As you know that I have given all Unix question in a video. Now in this video I will provide the UI questions, and at the end I will give you some bonus tip and suggestion how you can learn full web development. So for that, watch this video fully. Now unlike Unix question, here you can expect some repeated question, and also if you have clear logic in this portion, then the question pattern is much easier than the Unix question pattern. Now I have collected all of the important and repeated questions in this section, and these questions are best to clear out your knowledge in this section. So let's start the video. First question: syntax of background image in CSS. It's background image, background, then dash image. All HTML tags have closing tags. It's false. What is the command for ordered list in Roman number? It's capital I. Well, type capital I. Which is not a CSS unit? First one is empathize. UT, there is nothing in CSS like UT, so it will be the answer. Empathizing the text in HTML is EM or EMPH. Which is invalid field in HTML? This is a repeated question, so the answer will be day. Which is invalid escape sequence in JavaScript? It's / then E. You have created a shell script and wants to run the script. What should you do before try to run the script? It's update the execute permission of the script. Now caption tag is used with image, table, both or none. It's both. We can use caption tag anywhere. Now this question is from Unix. I have mistakenly included here. Now text align justify. It will align the text in left side or right side or center or none. It will be none because it will stretch the line so that each line has equal width. Now variable x equal to 100 plus 5 double into, that means it is power, so it will be 225. Now here top news block quote URL hindunews.com/block quote. This will display today's news or not. It's false. It will not display today's news. Array in JavaScript. This is also a repeated question. It will be in list form. So third bracket open close like this. Appearance of INS tag. Again repeated question. It will be underline. INS means insert. It will be underlined. SVG tag is used for drawing lines, graphics, etc. Span is used for, so there was two options like to select inline block or to group elements for styling purpose. The answer will be to group elements for styling purpose. How to give comments is CSS? It's like this. Now this question, so H1 class, it will be explore. How to style? So there was options like explore.h1, h1 explore, h1.explore. The right answer will be h1.explore. First of all h1, then class name. Now variable x, it has no value, so the output will be not a number. It's nan. Now which is correct? True and false are non-numeric values. Also a repeated question, you have to remember this. Here true and false are non-numeric values, not 0 or 1, it's numeric. So here true and false are non-numeric. Which is not CSS properties? Background render or background attachment? It's background render. This type of questions is repeated so much time, so you have to know the logic of this question. First of all, variable a, 6 plus string, so 6 then plus then 9. It will be 6 plus 9, it will be string, and it will be 8 plus 7, it's 15. So a plus b, that means 6 plus 9. So it will be string and number, it will be again concatenated, and the answer will be 6 plus 9 then 15. So 6 plus 9, 15. It will be like this. 6 plus 9, 15. Now H2 title is information, knowledge is power. Here title will be displayed as tooltip. which is not a CSS border properties, it's border opacity. How many types of lists are available in HTML is 3 types: UL, OL and also description list. Is it possible to create multicolored text in HTML? Yes, with span we can create this. Now script variable x, trees are art's friend. Now this is used for escape character. It will be printed as trees are then art's apostrophe s friend. URL in HTML stands for uniform recess locator. Now for checking a regular expression in input fields of HTML forms, we should use pattern. Which tag is used if we want to highlight a part of text? It will be not highlight, it will be mark. Which statement is correct about canvas? Canvas element is used to draw graphics. By default it has 300 pixel wide and 100 pixel height, and you can use JavaScript to actually draw the graphics. Again one JavaScript question here. As you can see, x has no value, it will be not a number or undefined numerical result. No script tag can only be used inside body element, it's false. We can use this inside head element also. Which statement are correct about pre-tag? Pre-tag is used to predefine text. Text on a pre-element is displayed in a fixed white font, and pre-tags preserve both space and line breaks. Now this is also a important question and also a repeated question. Background color. So here RGBA means red, green, blue, and this is for transparency. Here 1 is like full deep and 0.1, 0.2 is like watermark text. So for RGBA we have to write here R, for G, for B and for A also. You have to remember that. So these are the some of the important questions. Now if you want to learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript, I can give you some suggestion. Now I have learned full web development from one Udemy course. So let's go to udemy.com. And here web development bootcamp. Now this is the course, and here you can learn full web development. So here as you can see, there are so much modules and it will be more than enough for you to learn all of these things, and it will also help you in future. So there is also Bootstrap and also Node.js. So you can learn all of this from here and it's very easy. Now if you want the certificate, you can buy this course from here, then you will get the certificate, and otherwise you can get this course completely for free. So let's see how you can get this full course completely for free. So for that, just go to this website and here search. Now search here the web development bootcamp. Now if you get this kind of ads, do not click on anything like accept or add, just click on this. And here as you can see, the complete 2019 web developer bootcamp, and from here you can download this torrent file, and you need to also install uTorrent to actually download this file. So here you will find all of the things you need for web development, and also there is another good material for HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So it's in TCS Ion portal. Here webinar replay and UI, and here you will find all of the topics with example. So it will also help you to understand the logic of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. You can check all of this. So I hope this will help you. That's all. Thank you.